guys, welcome to the Irene train. Welcome. Please subscribe and like the video and don't forget to share. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you MALEWA. MALEWA is a Bugishu delicacy. MALEWA is very important in the tradition of the tradition of the Bagishu. It's important traditionally. Actually, when a man is marrying a wife, when he's giving a cow as dowry, it has to go with MALEWA. So you can see how important it is in the Bugishu tradition. So MALEWA is usually got from these trees, which usually grow in the hills. So this is MALEWA. This is a MALEWA tree. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we cook MALEWA. So in today's video, as I told you, we are going to show you how we prepare MALEWA. So we are trying to prepare our firewood, which we are going to use, because we cook using firewood. So we're going to use to cook, and we are preparing the fire as well. This is our fire, so that we can start preparing our MALEWA for today. This is our MALEWA for today, so this is what we are going to prepare as our sauce. It's a delicacy in the Bugishu region. I'll be showing you all the process, So this is our MALEWA, as you can see, this is it. I'm adding ash to the MALEWA. The ash helps it to get ready, and it also softens the MALEWA. It also helps the MALEWA to look good. I'm going to add water, and then we start boiling. So as it's boiling, I'll be doing some other work, because it takes some time to get ready. This MALEWA takes some time to get ready. So now I'm going to add in water. I'm going to add in our water. So I've added in our water. So I'm going to leave it on the fire for some time. So I'm going to leave it here for some good time, so that it can get ready, because it takes some time to get ready. So I'm leaving it here as I do some other work. It's boiling, and it's almost ready. As you can see, it's boiling. It's almost ready. We are removing our sauce from the fire. We've removed it. So we are going to wash our MALEWA, and we cut it in 2 pieces. It's ready, but we need to wash it. Then after washing, we shall be cutting it into small pieces. Now this is our water. Let me add in some small water. So we are going to put our MALEWA here, and then we wash it. Then after washing it, we shall cook it again. So we are going to put. We are putting our MALEWA in the other water to clean it, because after cooking it, we clean it. Because remember, we put ash at the beginning, so we are trying to remove the ash. Then after removing the ash, we shall cook again. So as you can see, we are now washing our MALEWA. We are removing the ash, because remember, we put ash to make it soft and clean at the beginning. So we are washing away the ash that we put at the beginning. So we are trying to wash away the ash, and we are putting in another saucepan which is here. You can see all the ash has remained in this saucepan. So we are going to wash it the second time to make sure it's clean, very, very clean. Actually, we are washing the third time. This is the third time because we have to make sure they are clean. So we are washing the third time. This is the third time and the last time. No, actually, we are now, after washing, we are going to cut them into small pieces. So as you can see, we are removing what is not supposed to be eaten, which is here. This is the hard part of it, which is not supposed to be eaten. So we are cutting as we are removing the hard parts. So now, after cutting them, we are supposed to wash them the fourth time. After that, I told you that the other third time was the last, but it's not the third time. I mean, it's not the last time. This is the last time. After cutting, you're supposed to wash them. And finally, our malewa are clean. We are putting our malewa back on fire. After cutting and cleaning, we are putting it back on fire. As you can see, our malewa is boiling, the one we've cut, so we are removing it from the fire so that we go to the next stage. So we are removing the water. So we've put the malewa on this plate so that we can use the saucepan to fry our onions. Our onions. We are going to use these onions for our malewa. We are putting some cooking oil, some little, very little cooking oil in the saucepan, and then we shall fry our onions. But the cooking oil has to be very, very little, as in very little. So we are putting our onions in the cooking oil. Our onions are almost ready. We are removing the remaining water from the malewa. We are going to fry our malewa a little bit. We are going to fry the malewa. We are going to put it in our onions because the onions are ready. We are going to add guineas to our malewa. So as you can see, we are preparing our guineas, the ones that we are going to add in our malewa. So these are our guineas, our groundnuts that we are going to add in the malewa. We are adding our groundnuts in the malewa. We are going to add in our makati. makati. In Uganda it's called chisula, and in Bugishu it's called makati. So we are going to add in our makati, but we put in very little, very little. Because when we put much, of course the taste will not be good. So we have to put very little because it adds taste to the malewa. Chumbe munyo, eh? Chumbe munyo. Yeah, we are now going to add in our salt. I'm told it's called chumbe in Lugisu. So we are going to add in our chumbe. That is our chumbe, the salt. So we are going to add in our salt, which is called chumbe. So we've added in some bit of royco to make it more tasty. Wow, it looks delicious. I can't wait to enjoy the meal. We are going to enjoy it with posho. This is our posho that we are going to enjoy with our MALEWA. So we are going to remove our MALEWA from the fire. Guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the Irene Train.